In this example, we are told that the outcrop points for a stratum of ore are at 30 meters, 35 meters and 45 meters. So for this question, as you can see, this is the outcrop point or the stratum of ore. The outcrop points are where the stratum hits the surface of the earth. As you can see with this transparent model, where the points hit the surface of the earth. In order to complete this question, we must first find the strike. The strike is a horizontal line on the stratum of ore which goes through one of the points. So in order to find this, we will have to take a horizontal cut as shown. So when looking in from the front view, we can see that this is a horizontal cut, and where it intersects the stratum of ore creates the strike line as shown. So this strike line is the dotted line there. Now if we're to look in plan view, which is what you have in your question, in order to find this strike line, right, we know we've taken a horizontal cut. We know that the height at this point is 35. We know the height here is 30 and the height here is 45. So therefore, due to the fact that this is a straight line, 35, 30, 35, 40 and 45. So this edge can be divided into 3, thus giving us this point here, which enables us to create the strike as shown. The next step we will be asked to look for is the dip of the stratum. In order to find the dip, we simply need to look in along the strike, and the dip is the angle the stratum of ore makes with the horizontal plane. So in order to find this on your drawing, what we'll have to do is take simple construction lines parallel to your strike from each one of the 3 points and create a second plane as shown. Now, in order to find the dip, we need to draw in an XY line as shown and your XY line, and connect the 3 points which you have already brought out. If correctly drawn, these 3 points should create a straight line, and this results in the ability to find your dip. The dip is always given in degrees. So if we were to look at this from a 3D view, you can see that your dip is simply the angle of inclination between your stratum of ore and your horizontal plane.